Hi kids, we are going to make a shirt. First of all, take a A4 paper. Hold the paper like this here and we are going to fold it here. To make a square shape, we are going to tear the paper. So fold it back side and press it like this. So we have to tear the paper like this. Then you can place the paper here and we have got a square shape. Then take the paper like this and fold it frontwards into two equal shapes. Again open it and fold it like this. Now take only one paper and fold it frontwards. Then again turn the paper and fold it in the front side like this. Again open the paper, fold it here and again fold it here. Now open it, we have got like this. So again we are going to do the same process, that is turn it front and press it. Then take it in the hand, do like this, again do like that. Now take only one paper and fold it front, take the second paper and fold it back. Again we can open the paper like this and fold it here. Again fold the paper like this. Again please remove it like this and we have got like this. Now again we are going to fold it inside. 1, 2. Do like this. Again do like. Now if you open the paper, we are having the same size only. Now we have come to the final stage, that is you will be getting 4 shape like this. Then take like this and do like this. That is these are the hands. For the hands we are doing this. Now this one we can take like this and leave it. It will be just like this. Okay. Hold it like this. And finally we have got a very nice shirt.